Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to create brand new Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Snapchat application. From this interface, you can simply continue with your Google account or else you can also tap on sign up. So tap on sign up button. If you want to allow Snapchat to access your contact, tap on allow or you can deny as well. Now the first step, you have to enter your name. That is your first and last name. After that, tap on continue. And on second step, enter your birthday. Then tap on continue. Here by default, you will get a username from Snapchat. If you want to change your username, tap on change my username and then change your username that is available. Here I will go with the default and then tap on continue. Now create a password and make sure that your password must be at least 8 characters. If you want to save your login information on your device, tap on this login info on your device. If not, untick that. After that, tap on continue. Now you have to enter your email address for the last step, or you can also use your phone number. If you tap on use phone number instead, once you're done typing in your email, then tap on continue. Now for your verification, you will get a verification code on your mobile number, or if you want to skip this process, you can simply tap on skip from the upper right corner. Again, if you want to skip this process as well, do the same and again tap on skip. Now if you want to create your Bitmoji, you can simply tap on continue or skip this process. So that's how you can create a brand new Snapchat account. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.